I want to make a video on the door handle mechanism. You see the reproduction versus the old one. The original's nice, the chrome is nice, but the mechanism, it doesn't even engage. It won't even open the door. So take your original mechanism, take all that the guts of the original handle out, and put it into your new door handle. And mention it to PG or RT Specialties. It's the only way they'll actually know about this problem that you have on your door handle.